concept of Hycean worlds, ocean-covered exoplanets with hydrogen-rich atmospheres, has recently gained significant attention as a potential class of habitable planets. These worlds could harbor life in forms and ecosystems vastly different from those on Earth. This analysis explores the Hycean worlds from all conceivable angles, delving into their environments, the diverse life forms that might inhabit them, and the potential for intelligent life. Imagining these worlds in a cinematic fashion, we'll journey through their alien landscapes, diving into the science behind their existence and the implications for our understanding of life in the universe. Hycean worlds are a recently proposed class of exoplanets, characterized by vast oceans and hydrogen-rich atmospheres. These planets may vary significantly in size and temperature, with some potentially resembling Earth, while others could be more similar to the icy moons of our solar system, like Europa or Enceladus. The unique conditions on Hycean worlds open up intriguing possibilities for life forms that are adapted to environments unlike any found on Earth. Hycean worlds possess thick, hydrogen-dominated atmospheres. These atmospheres can significantly influence surface conditions, including temperature regulation and protection from cosmic radiation. The presence of hydrogen, along with other gases like methane and ammonia, creates a greenhouse effect that can warm the planet's surface, making it potentially habitable even at considerable distances from its star. The defining feature of Hycean worlds is their extensive oceans, which can cover the entire planetary surface. These oceans might range from shallow seas to deep, planet-spanning waters. The pressure and temperature at different depths could support a variety of life forms, with some areas being more conducive to life than others. Life on Hycean worlds would rely on various energy sources. In addition to stellar energy, which might be limited due to thick cloud cover, chemical energy from hydrothermal vents and other geothermal processes could provide the necessary conditions for life. The interaction between the ocean and the planet's core might generate sufficient energy to sustain diverse ecosystems. Hycean worlds likely form in a similar manner to other planets, through the accretion of gas and dust in a protoplanetary disk. However, their thick hydrogen atmospheres and extensive oceans suggest a unique evolutionary pathway. The abundance of water and hydrogen could result from the planet's formation far from its star, where icy materials are more common, followed by inward migration. Detecting and studying Hycean worlds requires advanced technology. Current methods like the transit and radial velocity techniques can identify potential Hycean candidates. Spectroscopic analysis helps determine atmospheric composition, while future telescopes, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, will provide more detailed observations. Imagining life on Hycean worlds opens up a fascinating array of possibilities. The most basic forms of life on these worlds could be microbial. These microorganisms might thrive in the oceans, especially near hydrothermal vents, where chemical energy is abundant. They could exhibit diverse metabolic processes, including chemosynthesis, where organisms derive energy from chemical reactions rather than sunlight. Given the right conditions, microbial life could evolve into more complex multicellular organisms. These could include various types of aquatic creatures, some resembling Earth's marine life, while others might have unique adaptations to their environment, such as bioluminescence for communication or predation. At the top of the food chain, apex predators could dominate Hycean oceans. These creatures might have advanced sensory organs to navigate and hunt in the dark, high-pressure environments. Their biology could include adaptations like tough exoskeletons to withstand pressure and specialized appendages for efficient movement in water. The evolution of intelligent life on Hycean worlds would follow complex and potentially unique pathways. Evolutionary pressures such as competition, environmental challenges, and resource scarcity could drive the development of advanced cognitive abilities and social behaviors. Intelligent beings on Hycean worlds might develop technology suited to their aquatic environment. This could include tools and structures made from materials available in their oceans, as well as sophisticated methods for communication and navigation in three-dimensional aquatic spaces. The societal structures of intelligent life on Hycean worlds could be highly complex, with communities organized around the rich resources of hydrothermal vents or other energy sources. Social hierarchies, cooperation, and cultural development would be shaped by the unique environmental conditions of their planet. Hydrothermal vents on Hycean worlds would likely be hotspots for life, similar to those on Earth. These vents could support entire ecosystems, with a variety of organisms adapted to the extreme conditions of high temperature and pressure, feeding on the rich mineral deposits and chemical energy. In the upper layers of the oceans, floating biospheres could exist, where organisms live within the photic zone, using the available light for photosynthesis or other metabolic processes. These biospheres might include a wide range of life forms, from plankton-like organisms to larger filter feeders. Some Hycean worlds might have subsurface oceans beneath an icy crust. Life in these environments would be isolated from surface conditions, relying entirely on geothermal energy. The organisms here could be specially adapted to the darkness and cold, with unique physiological traits to survive. Potential challenges for life. The extreme environments of Hycean worlds pose significant challenges for life. High pressures, varying temperatures, and potentially toxic atmospheric conditions require unique adaptations for survival. Organisms must be resilient and versatile, capable of withstanding rapid changes in their surroundings. While some areas of Hycean worlds might be rich in resources, others could be barren. Life forms would need to develop efficient methods for finding and utilizing available resources, which could lead to innovative biological and social strategies. The stability of environmental conditions is crucial for the development and maintenance of life. Hycean worlds with dynamic atmospheres and oceans might experience fluctuations that challenge the resilience of ecosystems, requiring adaptability and robust survival mechanisms. Comparisons with Earth's extremophiles. The study of Earth's deep ocean extremophiles provides valuable insights into potential life on Hycean worlds. Organisms such as tube worms, giant clams, and certain bacteria thrive in high-pressure, low-light environments near hydrothermal vents, using chemosynthesis to sustain their ecosystems. Life forms in Earth's extreme atmospheres, such as those found in highly acidic or alkaline environments, can offer analogies for potential Hycean organisms. These extremophiles exhibit remarkable adaptability, suggesting that life on Hycean worlds could similarly evolve to thrive in harsh conditions. Future research and exploration. Future technological advances will be pivotal in exploring Hycean worlds. Innovations in space telescopes, spectrometers, and robotic probes will enhance our ability to detect and study these planets. advanced AI and machine learning algorithms will aid in analyzing the vast amounts of data collected. Several upcoming missions are poised to contribute significantly to our understanding of Hycean worlds. The JWST, the European Space Agency's aerial mission, and other next-generation observatories will focus on characterizing exoplanetary atmospheres and searching for signs of habitability. Long-term goals for Hycean world exploration include sending probes to directly study these planets, developing technologies for in situ analysis, and potentially even establishing communication with any intelligent life forms that might exist. These efforts will require international collaboration and significant advancements in space exploration technology. Hycean worlds represent a fascinating frontier in the search for life beyond Earth. Their unique environments, characterized by hydrogen-rich atmospheres and vast oceans, offer a rich tapestry for imagining diverse alien life forms, from simple microbes to intelligent civilizations. The study of these worlds challenges our understanding of habitability and the conditions necessary for life to thrive. As we continue to advance our technological capabilities, the exploration of Hycean worlds will undoubtedly yield profound insights into the nature of life in the universe, expanding our horizons and inspiring future generations of scientists and explorers. To fully appreciate the potential of Hycean worlds, imagine stepping onto an alien ocean planet. Picture the sky a deep, swirling blue-green, with hydrogen clouds casting a surreal glow. Beneath the waves, a thriving ecosystem teems with life forms unlike anything seen on Earth. The ocean is a mesmerizing expanse, teeming with strange bioluminescent creatures that glide gracefully through the water, illuminating their paths with pulses of light. Alien oceanic ecosystems. A cinematic journey. Hydrothermal vent communities. As you descend into the depths, the pressure increases and the temperature drops. Suddenly, you encounter a hydrothermal vent, spewing mineral-rich water into the surrounding ocean. Around these vents, an entire ecosystem thrives. Giant tube worms, with their crimson plumes, absorb the chemicals released by the vents, converting them into energy through chemosynthesis. Nearby, bizarre crustacean-like creatures scuttle across the seabed, feeding on the microbial mats that coat the vent structures. The scene is bathed in an eerie, otherworldly light, provided by the bioluminescent organisms that inhabit this extreme environment. Tiny, glowing plankton drift through the water, while larger predators, equipped with rows of phosphorescent spots, hunt in the darkness. Floating biospheres. Rising back to the surface, you encounter vast floating biospheres, clusters of interconnected organisms that drift through the photic zone, where sunlight penetrates the ocean. These biospheres are like living islands, teeming with life. Giant, jellyfish-like creatures anchor themselves to floating kelp forests, using their tentacles to capture passing prey. Schools of fish, with iridescent scales, dart through the water, creating mesmerizing displays of color. The biospheres are a hub of activity, with various species coexisting in a delicate balance. Some organisms have evolved to filter feed, drawing in plankton-rich water, while others are specialized predators, using stealth and speed to capture their meals. The dynamic interplay of these life forms creates a vibrant, ever-changing tapestry of life. Subsurface oceans. Beneath the icy crust of some Hycean worlds, subsurface oceans exist, hidden from the light of their stars. In these dark, isolated environments, life has adapted to the harsh conditions. Imagine a submarine probe descending through a fissure in the ice, revealing an alien landscape of towering ice formations and vast underwater plains. Here, the inhabitants are uniquely adapted to the cold and darkness. Bioluminescent microorganisms provide the primary light source, their glow reflecting off the ice walls. Strange, elongated fish with translucent bodies glide through the water, their internal organs visible through their skin. These fish have evolved to navigate using electroreception, sensing the faint electric fields generated by other organisms. Giant, blind crustaceans scuttle across the ocean floor, using their sensitive antennae to detect food. Filter-feeding organisms, anchored to the ice, extend long, feathery appendages to capture nutrients from the water. This hidden world, isolated and self-sustaining, offers a glimpse into the incredible adaptability of life. Apex predators. Imagine a scene where an apex predator, a massive shark-like creature, rules the ocean depths. This predator has evolved to dominate its environment, with razor-sharp teeth and powerful streamlined bodies. Its bioluminescent markings serve as both camouflage and a lure, attracting prey into its deadly maw. These apex predators are solitary hunters, relying on their acute senses to detect the faintest movements in the water. Their presence commands respect and fear, as they are capable of taking down even the largest prey. The balance of the ecosystem hinges on these predators, maintaining the population of other species and ensuring the health of the ocean. Intelligent life on Hycean worlds. Evolutionary pathways. Imagine an intelligent species that has evolved in the depths of a Hycean world. These beings, with advanced cognitive abilities, have adapted to their aquatic environment. Their bodies are streamlined for efficient movement through water, with webbed appendages for propulsion and dexterous manipulation of objects. Their evolution has been driven by the need to navigate the complex, three-dimensional world of their ocean. Enhanced sensory organs, such as sonar-like echolocation and highly developed vision, allow them to communicate and hunt effectively. Their intelligence is evident in their social structures, technology, and culture. Technological development. The intelligent inhabitants of Hycean worlds have developed technology suited to their environment. Picture vast underwater cities constructed from organic materials, seamlessly integrated into the natural landscape. These cities are illuminated by bioluminescent plants and organisms, creating a surreal, glowing ambience. Their technology is advanced yet adapted to water. They have developed tools and machinery that function effectively in an aquatic environment, using materials resistant to corrosion and pressure. Communication devices, perhaps based on sound waves or light signals, allow them to interact over great distances. Their exploration of their world includes sophisticated submersibles and underwater habitats. They study the rich biodiversity of their oceans, cataloging species and understanding their ecosystems. Their technological prowess enables them to manipulate their environment, enhancing their ability to thrive. Societal structures. Society on a Hycean world is shaped by the unique challenges and opportunities of their environment. Picture complex social structures, with communities organized around resource-rich areas such as hydrothermal vents. Cooperative hunting and foraging strategies ensure the survival of the group, while social bonds are reinforced through shared rituals and traditions. Cultural practices are influenced by the rhythms of the ocean. Festivals and ceremonies might be held during bioluminescent blooms, creating stunning visual displays. Art and music, inspired by the natural beauty of their world, reflect their deep connection to the ocean. Their society values knowledge and exploration. Scholars and scientists study the mysteries of their world, while explorers venture into uncharted waters, driven by curiosity and the desire to understand their planet. This quest for knowledge is a fundamental aspect of their culture, shaping their identity and progress. Cinematic imagery of alien life. Microbial life forms. Imagine a microscopic world teeming with life. Under a powerful microscope, you see a myriad of microbial organisms, each with unique adaptations. Some are single-celled, using flagella to propel themselves through the water, while others form colonies, creating intricate structures. These microorganisms exhibit a range of metabolic processes. Chemosynthetic bacteria, thriving near hydrothermal vents, convert inorganic molecules into energy. Photosynthetic organisms, floating in the upper layers of the ocean, harness sunlight to produce nutrients. The diversity and resilience of these microbes highlight the potential for life in even the most extreme environments. Complex multicellular organisms. Zooming out, you encounter more complex life forms. Picture a vast alien coral reef teeming with life. Brightly colored, gelatinous creatures drift through the water, their bodies pulsating with each movement. Multi-limbed organisms with delicate, feathery appendages filter nutrients from the water. These complex organisms exhibit a range of behaviors and interactions. Some engage in symbiotic relationships, where different species cooperate for mutual benefit. Predators hunt with precision and stealth, while prey species have evolved elaborate defenses. The complexity of these interactions creates a dynamic and vibrant ecosystem. Apex predators. In the deeper waters, apex predators reign supreme. Picture a massive, eel-like creature, its body rippling with muscle. It moves with grace and power, its eyes scanning the darkness for signs of prey. When it detects movement, it strikes with lightning speed, its jaws closing around its victim. These apex predators play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Their presence controls the population of other species, ensuring that resources are not depleted. Their interactions with prey and competitors drive the evolutionary arms race, leading to constant adaptation and innovation. Intelligent life. Imagine an encounter with an intelligent species. As you explore their underwater city, you see evidence of their advanced technology and culture. They communicate using a combination of sound, light, and touch, conveying complex ideas and emotions. Their society is organized and efficient, with specialized roles for different individuals. Some are builders, constructing and maintaining the city's infrastructure. Others are gatherers, collecting resources from the surrounding ocean. Scholars and artists contribute to the cultural and intellectual richness of their society. Their interactions are marked by cooperation and mutual respect. Social bonds are reinforced through shared rituals and traditions, creating a sense of community and belonging. Their advanced cognitive abilities enable them to solve complex problems, innovate, and adapt to their environment. Conclusion. The exploration of Hycean worlds, both scientifically and imaginatively, offers a glimpse into the incredible diversity and adaptability of life in the universe. These ocean-covered planets, with their hydrogen-rich atmospheres and unique environments, challenge our understanding of habitability and the potential for life beyond Earth. From the microscopic world of microbial life to the complex societies of intelligent beings, the possibilities are boundless. The study of these worlds not only expands our knowledge of planetary science, but also inspires us to consider the profound implications for our understanding of life's potential in the cosmos. As we continue to advance our technological capabilities and explore the universe, the discovery of Hycean worlds and their inhabitants will undoubtedly shape our future. These findings will inform our search for life, guide our exploration efforts, and deepen our appreciation for the remarkable diversity of life that may exist beyond our home planet. In this cinematic journey through the Hycean worlds, we have envisioned the potential for life in its many forms, from the simplest microorganisms to the most advanced intelligent species. The richness and complexity of these imagined ecosystems highlight the extraordinary possibilities that await us in the uncharted depths of the universe. The study of Hycean worlds represents not just a scientific endeavor, but a voyage of discovery, driven by our innate curiosity and the timeless quest to understand our place in the cosmos.